Hey guys, Justin Labato in the Autogeek Show Car Garage here to showcase the Wolfgang Über ceramic spray coating. The convenience of this is that it's a coating, but it's formulated into a spray to make it more convenient. So it'll give you up to a year's worth of protection in a simple application. It's just as simple as taking this Über spray coating and being able to spray it onto an applicator, work a 3x3 section, and then of course taking a coating towel to remove it. Now it does have anywhere from a 30-second to a minute flash time, and that's a variable based on where you live. However, it's something that will help give you true ceramic protection for up to a year, and it's very simple to apply, and it'll help keep the vehicle protected and of course looking good with a lot of gloss. And it's simple for the DIY, for the enthusiast, and for maybe the production style detailer in the market to give you the ceramic that you're looking for in a simple application. For more information, visit autogeek.com.